Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the FTSE futures for Friday, November 17th. For the record, today is Thursday, November 16th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So it's been a while. I made a video about the FTSE. So therefore, let's start in the higher time frame. And here we are looking at the weekly chart. My take on the FTSE in the higher time frame is actually that, in my opinion, we have two kind of equally valid scenarios, I would say. And the reason is that, we are acting very corrective right here since a couple of months. And this corrective behavior actually fits in both a bearish and a bullish scenario. So the bearish scenario in green shows that we made a wave one high right here, and that we had our wave A down right here, that we are now having a corrective wave B, which is this price action right here. And then after this corrective wave B, a wave C, an impulsive wave C to the downside will follow, targeting here the wave 2 area, the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave 1, and then here the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement is our target area. So that would be the bearish interpretation of what we are seeing here in the higher time frame. But actually, this corrective action could also fit in a bullish scenario indicated here in red. And that would mean that here this high is our wave 3 high, and that we are actually doing now a wave 4 as a triangle. And so this triangle is indicated here in red. And then at some point, the triangle should be finished. And then from here, we should start a fifth wave up. So let's have a closer look at the triangle. I think it is still possible that we have this triangle because the triangle seems still supported in our RSI. Now it's a bit hard to say where exactly we are in the triangle because as long as you are moving in three waves, the triangle could still be playing out. So I believe this was our A leg, this the B. Then here, this was our C leg in 3, 1, 2, 3. And now the question is, like at the one hand, could be that the triangle is finished in the sense that this might be the wave D, and that we are coming down now, or that we did come down one more time as a wave E. So also in 3, 1, 2, 3, that this here is actually our wave E. And then at some point from here, we should start to launch to start our fifth wave up. However, could also play out like this actually, that our wave D was not in yet, but from here, from the wave C low, that we make our wave D in 3. So 1, 2, 3, something like this. And then from here, one more time down as a wave E. And then once we have the wave E, launching for the fifth wave. And so, that's the difficulty about predicting triangles. As long as they are not completed, you might call several times and wait too early for the end of a triangle. So I just want to mention it. It is possible, the triangle scenario, but even if you see the end of a triangle, like in this kind of structure, do not be mistaken. This can still play out, that this here is the wave D, and then down again as a wave E, and then from here we launch. Okay, so in the higher time frame, two equally valid scenarios in my opinion, and this becomes of the very corrective price action we are seeing right here. And then in the lower time frame, let's start with the daily. I try to make something from this, but I'm gonna be honest about this. Like, I'm not really confident about this count. There are really several interpretations of what we are seeing here. So here I just showed the count in case of the bearish scenario, so that this here is our wave A. Then we should go here as a wave B, and this wave B is unfolding as an A an ABC pattern indeed. So then this was the wave A up, the wave B down, and so now we are having a wave C up, this being the first wave, then a wave 2 down right here, and then from here we should get a 3, a 4, and a 5. But okay, like I said, really difficult interpretation because this is just sideways price action, and actually a lot of scenarios are possible, or a lot of Elliott wave counts are possible. So let's move on to the lower time frame. Let's go immediately to the 1 hour. So in my last video on the lower time frame on the FTSE, I believe we were somewhere uh, here, if I remember well, and I told you we might be doing a wave 4 down, and if we go deeper, it might be a wave 2. So in the meantime, I took off the count with the wave 4 because we clearly went deeper. So this can here be a wave 2 down, after this being an impulse, wave 1, then wave 2 down, and then I would say, if this is wave 2, we might start a wave 3, impulsive wave 3 to the upside. As you can see, we went to the equal leg area. If we take the length of the wave 1, the length of the wave 2, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the target for our wave 3. So we went to this area, but we did not really penetrate. We did not, like what we are seeing here, is not really a convincing wave 3 we have for now. Of course, it could be that we are kind of having like a 1-2-1-2 setup, and that we now start to launch. This could be a possibility, but at the same time, again, we are moving corrective. This could also have some kind of bearish interpretation, and then what we should do is, like, if we start our reasoning or some kind of count from this high, we could make like some kind of case of impulse down, correction up, impulse down, correction up in 3, 1, 2, 3, and then from here again another impulse down. That would be kind of an equally valid interpretation in my opinion. So FTSE, difficult count, difficult situation for the moment because of the sideways price action. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another video, another update on the FTSE. Have a nice day. Bye bye.